Boom! What up? It's your favorite YouTuber, Maximus Rex. Subscribe or suffer! Welcome to a new video. Today I'll show you a method which enables you to whiten your teeth naturally. For this method, which is called oil pulling, you need coconut oil. And no, you can't use any other kind of oil and you can't use water. We are following the traditional method which uses coconut oil. Take a spoonful of the oil, put it in your mouth, let it melt, let it liquefy, and then you start pulling by sucking it in a little bit and pushing, blowing it out. If you need a break, you can spit it in a cup, go to the toilet, drink something, start again. 30 minutes each day for results in 4 weeks. The only downside to oil pulling is that it requires dedication, it requires effort. So I suggest you watch a movie or stream or YouTube, preferably my videos, and you put in the oil and pull it through your teeth, your lower teeth, upper teeth, side teeth. And there you go. It clears the coloring particles on your teeth without destroying them. It's a safe method, very mild. There are also methods which are kind of dangerous, like brushing your teeth with charcoal. Don't do this, it will destroy your teeth. Try it out and post your results. I'm your favorite YouTuber, Maximus Rex. Subscribe or suffer, and we'll see us in the next video.